I welcome you all, my dear students. Today we are going to study about chapter number 1, natural numbers and whole numbers, exercise 1.3. Before starting this exercise, we should know what is the difference between Indian system and international system of numeration. हमें जानना होगा कि इंडियन सिस्टम और इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में क्या फर्क है. तो उससे पहले मैं आपको चार्ट टेबल दिखाऊंगा, हेड टू हेड कंपेयर करेंगे जिससे इजी हो जाएगा आपको समझने में. So here you can see that the first chart is of Indian system and the second chart is of international system. This is an Indian system of numeration and the second one is international. Now let us compare कि दोनों में कहाँ तक चीजें सेम है और कहाँ से डिफरेंस स्टार्ट होता है. इंडियन सिस्टम में 1 से इंटरनेशनल में भी है, इंडियन सिस्टम में 10 से इंटरनेशनल में भी है, इंडियन सिस्टम में 100 है, इंटरनेशनल में भी 100 है, 1000 है इंडियन सिस्टम में, इंटरनेशनल में भी 1000 है, 10,000 इंडियन सिस्टम में 10,000 है, इंटरनेशनल में भी 10,000 है. इसके बाद से चेंजेस है. हमारे में लैक्स होता है, इंडियन सिस्टम में लैक्स होता है, उनके में लैक्स नहीं होता है. काउंटिंग 10,000 से फिर 100,000 में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. सो दैट मीन्स 100,000 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 लाख. इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि जो 100,000 इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम का है वो हमारे कितने के इक्वल है. 100,000 जो इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम का है वो हमारे 1 लाख के इक्वल है. इसके बाद हम इंडियन सिस्टम में देख सकते हैं कि लैक्स के बाद 10 लैक्स होता है. नाउ 100,000 के बाद दे चेंज द वर्ड एज मिलियंस. दैट मीन्स इन इंटरनेशनल मिलियंस when compared to Indian system it becomes 10 lakh. That 1 million has how many lakhs according to Indian system? That is equals to 10 lakhs. तो 1 million में 10 lakhs होते हैं. Similarly, next is crores. We are having crores, they are having 10 millions. So next हमारे में होता है crores और उनके में होता है 10 millions. इससे हमें क्या conclusion मिलता है? That 10 millions is equals to 1 crore. नेक्स्ट, अब उनके में 100 मिलियन होता है और हमारे में 10 करोड़ होता है. सो 100 मिलियंस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 100 मिलियंस is equals to 10 crores. That means 1 billion is equals to 1 arab. Now after knowing this difference, and this is the important conclusion which we have taken out by comparing both the chart table, we can continue with the exercise question. Now I'll start with the question number 1 of exercise 1.3, which is saying you write down the names of the following numerals. तो सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, हमने सारे नंबर को चार्ट इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ चार्ट टेबल में डाला है 1 to D में. बाकी जो E है वो इंडियन सिस्टम के हिसाब से कॉमा नहीं दिया गया है. कॉमा से हमें पता चलेगा कि इसको जो नाम हमें देना है वो इंडियन सिस्टम के हिसाब से देना है कि इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम के हिसाब से देना है. बट बिफोर दैट लेट अस स्टार्ट ओवर द नंबर नेम्स. तो मैंने आपको क्या बताया, मैंने सारे जितने भी नंबर्स दिए हैं जो इंडियन सिस्टम के हिसाब से थे उनको मैंने चार्ट टेबल में डाल दिया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ए, यू कैन सी दैट 3 is in 10,000 place and 4 is in 1,000 place. So that will become 34,705. So the same thing we need to write down, that is 34,000 comma 705. 705. Okay. Now coming down to the B part, you can see that in B, 9 is in lakhs place, 2 is in 10,000 place and 3 is in thousands place. So we can say that 9 lakhs 23,075. So it's easy. By seeing the chart table, we can write down it's 9 lakh 23,000 and 75. Next, the C part. In the C part, we can see that 2 is in 10 lakhs place, 9 is in lakhs place. So this will become 29 lakhs. 5 is in 10,000 place and 3 is in 1,000 place. This will become 53,000. So how we will name it? We will name it as 29 lakhs 53,005. So the same thing we'll write down. 29 lakh 53,000 and 5. Now next is the D part. You can see that in D, the 9 is in Arab place and 2 is in 10 crores and 0 is in crores. 7 is in 10 lakhs, 2 is in lakhs, and how we can pronounce it? So what will be the name? The name will be 9 Arab 20 crores 72 lakhs and 5. So it's so simple. So we'll write down the same 9 Arab 20 crores 72 lakh and 5. So this is how we'll write the names of the given numerals. Now here you can see that the E part which was given, we have put it in the international system, and how now we will write it name. 9 is in billions, so we'll write down 9 billion, and then we are having 207 millions in millions group, so we'll write down 207 million, 207 million, and then we are having 200, that means 200 thousands, so we will write down 200 thousands, and directly we are having 5, so we will write down 200,000 and 5. Now this is how we will write the names of the international system. Now again I am telling you, according to the comma you will able to identify that it is the name we need to give in Indian system or international system. Now the last one is the F part. Again, by seeing the comma we can see that it is not a part of Indian system. We have to write the names according to international system. So I put it in the chart table of international system, and here you can see that the 4 is in 100 millions, 5 is in 10 millions, and 4 is in millions. So together we will say 454 millions. So we will write down 454 millions, and then we are having 5 in 100,000, 3 in 10,000, and 6 in 1,000. So 536,000, 536 thousands, and last we are having 5 and 5. Now we'll solve question number 2, that is write down the numerals of. First of all, we can see that what it is written over here, that is 60,863. So 60,000 means 6 is in 10,000 place and 0 is in 1000 place. That means that is 60,000. 800. 800 means 8 is in 100 place. 60 means 6 is in tens place. 3 means 3 is in ones place. So what is the numeral we are getting from here? That is 60863. 60,863. Now here you can see that here it is written 7 is in Arab place. So we will write down 7 is in Arab place. Now we are having 10. 10 means 1 is in tens place and 0 is in ones place. It means all the thing which is not mentioned here in the given numeral, here in the given thing is 0. So what is the numeral we are getting? 7 Arab 00 crores 00 lakhs and then 00,000 and 10. Now 2 is in billion place. Now here we cannot put this. Why? Because billion comes in international system. So I'll bring the international system over here for you. But before that, let me complete the D part. The D part is 20 crore. So 20 crore means 2 is in 10 crores and 0 is in crore place. So that's why you can call it as 20 crores. 30 lakhs, 3 is in tens place. 10 lakhs, 3 is in 10 lakhs place and 0 is in lakh place. So that's why we can call it as 30 lakhs. Now 40. 40 means 4 is in tens place, 0 is in ones place. Now other thing which is not mentioned over here, we can write it as 0. So what is the numeral we are getting from here? That is 20 crore, 30 lakhs and 40. So this is the numeral which we are getting from here. Now again the last E part is 300 million. Again million word is not used in the Indian system. So for C and E part, now I'll bring the international chart value system. Now the C part we are going to solve it. It is written 2 billion 2 billion means 2 will be in billions place. Next it is written 300,000. 300,000 means 3 will be in 100,000 place and 00 will be in 10,000 and 1000. Rest nothing is mentioned. So that means in rest all place value chart table we are having 0 as it is not mentioned. So what is the numeral from here we are getting? That is 2 billion triple zero millions 300,000. So this is how the numeral we are getting from the international system. Now let's go ahead with the last E part. Now the E part, it is written 300 million. 300 millions means 3 is in 100 million and rest all will have 0. And then it is written 6,000. 6,000 means 6 is in 1000 place. Now the other things which is not mentioned, it means it is 0. So how we are going to write down its numeral? That is 300 millions then 006 thousands. This is how we are going to write down the numeral with the help of international chart table. Please mark the commas according to Indian and international system. So here we have make a chart table of both Indian system and international system. Now you know that when the group is changed we need to put a comma. That is ones, tens, hundred. Then according to Indian system we need to put comma. Then thousand, 10,000. Then again we need to put a comma. Then lakh, 10 lakh. Now here how the international system is going to change with the comma. The first comma will be same, that the group is changed after ones, tens and hundred. Then we are having thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Then we need to put a comma. Now once again we will come down over here and we are having ones, tens, hundred, then the group is changed. Thousand, 10,000, then the group is changed. Lakh, 10 lakh, then the group is changed. Now here again we need to say according to international system ones, tens, hundred. Then the group is changed thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Then millions, 10 millions. Now coming down over here ones, tens, hundred, then the group is changed. Thousand, 10,000, then the group is changed. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, then the group is changed. Now coming down over here for the international system, we are having ones, tens, hundred, then the group is changed, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. Now question number 4 is write down the numbers corresponding to each of the following. You can see the first one is given 8 into 10 to the power 5 in plus 6 into 10 to the power 4 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2. So for the very first, what we'll do, we'll put it in the chart table so that we can get the numerals. 10 to the power 5 as per Indian system, if we look to this, we are having 10 to the power 5 as lakhs, and in lakhs we are having 8. 10 to the power 4 means it is 10,000. There we are having the digit of 6, and then we'll write down it is 6. Then 10 to the power 3 is not present, it means it has 0 digit in it. 10 to the power 2 we are having 5 digit in it, and then we are not having any 10 to the power 1 and we are not having any kind of ones. So what is the number we are getting from here? That is 860500. Now moving down to the next part, we are having 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 means according to Indian system, if we look, that is 10 lakhs. In that we are having the digit 9. Then 10 to the power 4, that means 10 to the power 5 is not there, that means it is 0. 10 to the power 4 we are having 7 as a digit, so we'll put the value 7. Then again no 10 to the power 3, that means it is 0. 10 to the power 2 we are having 5 as a digit, so we'll write down 5, and rest is not mentioned, that means it is 0. So what is the number we are getting from it? That is 9070500. Now question number 5 is how many lakhs make a million, how many millions make 5 crores, and how many thousands in 4 lakhs. So it means Indian system is compared with the international system. So I'll bring both the chart tables so it can be easy for you. The top one you can see that it is Indian system, and in the bottom side this is international system. Okay, now what we need to see, how many lakhs make a million. You can see that ones we are having same, tens we are having same, 100 we are having same, then 1000, 10,000 till 10,000 we are having same. Lakhs means we are having 100,000 as lakhs, then we are having 10 lakhs as millions. So here we need to compare that how many lakhs is making a million. We will write down 10 lakhs is making 1 million. It's so simple on comparing. Now the question is saying how many millions make 5 crores. So now next is, you can see that 10 million is equal to crores. So that means in 1 crore we are having 10 millions. So it's very easy to calculate for 5 crores. For 5 crores we will be having 5 into 10 millions, and that is how many millions? That is equals to 50 millions. Now coming down to the last phrase, that is 4 lakh has how many thousands? So here we can see that the lakh is 100,000. So if 1 lakh is 100,000, if 1 lakh is 100,000, so it's very easy to calculate 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs will be equals to 4 into 100,000. So that will be how many thousands? That will be equals to 400 thousands. So in this way, on comparing, we are getting the answer very easily.